Other questions?
Well, that's sort of an introduction into my question is, I'm just wondering, besides the municipalities, what are the main audiences of your work? I would think they would range from local homeowners right through to the insurance industry.
Yes. I mean, as a provincial leadership, we are like a province leadership to address issues on climate change. But we are working with all the stakeholders, with these municipalities, with these communities, let's say for this example in Acadian Peninsula that I gave you, there's a working group now formed, like they're basically trying to put a working group in place, and then all the local stakeholders are coming together in place to discuss about the issue of climate change. Like it can be the homeowners, it can be anyone that's going to be affected from these kinds of events, even the businesses, every kinds of people, and then they are spreading the message about these kinds, and people are getting worried and concerned, and then they are seeing the decision makers, the planners, the decision makers to discuss about these issues. And this is we are seeing a rise in these kinds of issues being discussed now across the province about the risks from these kinds of floodings and storm events. And so it's a issue that everybody needs to be aware of.
Is there a similar program in New Brunswick on mitigation as well as adaptation? Even though it's a small province with relatively small industry and population, it could be an example for a lot of other places in Canada and other places in the globe for what you're doing. But I just personally feel we shouldn't just be adapting, we should be cutting back emissions and changing lifestyles.
Yes, of course there is a list of actions in this climate change action plan. Does have a list of actions listed on mitigating, how you can mitigate climate change in terms of reducing your greenhouse gas emissions. So there is a list of actions, and we in our progress report we basically report, we are committed to report on those actions that the province has committed in reducing the greenhouse gases and on adapting to climate change. So if you go over through our progress reports, you will see the progress that we are making in how we are making changes in reducing our greenhouse gas emissions as well. So there's a lot of actions on greenhouse gas emissions too, and programs.
My third question, did you submit an abstract to Coastal Zone Canada in June of 2014? Tim's involved in this. It's a great presentation, and it because it links so closely to what's happening along the New Brunswick coastline.
Okay.
You should talk at Coastal Zone Canada in Halifax in June.
Okay. So you mean like you want me to present this and present this work?
It would.
Okay.
Good audience.
To have this presentation again in June?
Just like you've given it. With maybe a little bit more emphasis on the coast, but or to take out the coastal pieces a bit more.
Okay, thank you.
This is just a personal question, and it relates to the comment I made about the May meeting next year. Do you have any data, or does Fish and Wildlife have much information regarding stream flows and water temperatures and the impact on fish and wildlife resources in the province? And if so, where do you find that?
We do have studies done on stream water modeling, on the water temperature, and how it's going to affect. Like we have a study done along the Miramichi River and by the University of Moncton on the stream water effects of, and how it's going to affect some ecosystem and the species in that river. So we do have studies on that particular river of the province, and there is another study on stream water modeling of the province, like how the water flows of the province with the St. John River and other rivers. There's another study too that talks about the stream flow of the province. So one is the temperature modeling. I can share with you that there's a study done by Dr. Nasir from University of Moncton, and another is done by Hydrocom on the stream flow of the province. water on the stream flow.
So are they available on the web?
Yes, that is available in the web, and if you go in that ACASA website, the website that I showed you on the slide on adaptation projects, so you can find all the, if you go to reports and just click New Brunswick, then the list of reports on climate change is there.
Other questions? I have one, and I'm surprised Russell didn't ask this question.
I have 2 or 3 more.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay. When you had the list of industries or sectors that you were trying to enhance resilience of, I noticed that aquaculture wasn't on that list unless it was buried under agriculture. Have you got one of those fish and chips departments here? No, no, your aquaculture's with fisheries, right? Yeah.
The agriculture is also here in New Brunswick. It's Department of Agriculture, Aquaculture. I think it's the whole agriculture. Yeah, it's fishery.
Oh, the fish is on the end then. So it's chips and fish. Right, okay. So that it is included then. It is included in that. Okay.
Yes.
It's just a matter of nomenclature then. Yeah. So Russell, if you had other questions, you can go ahead and ask them.
Well, I guess that was one of the questions I would have asked, but I assumed that from Atlantic salmon perspective, it may be beneficial from culture around Bay of Fundy, maybe issues regarding potential for skull culture and things like that. But have you been in contact with the Gulf region?
Sorry?
The Gulf region, the DFO, in terms of some of the projects they have going in terms of Gosselin? We were talking yesterday at ARCOM. There was an initiative that's been ongoing, the Northumberland Strait Initiative, which talks about the key issues, and eutrophication and nitrification are 2 of the key issues, and that would be related a lot to erosions.
Okay.
And they have maps identifying high areas of concern, more in the northern part of the province, so increased flows and damage by climate change may be important. They're looking for databases of information and make sure that they have your name.
Okay.
Check out them.
Okay. Yes, it would be great to talk with the person about the project then. Yeah. I personally don't know about this project, so it would be good to be in touch and get connected.
Just to promote the ACZIC for a minute, there was a presentation on that Northumberland Strait monitoring initiative at the Charlottetown meeting last May. So that might be a good introduction to the project. You can go and look on our website for the presentation that was presented last day by Michael, it's a professor at UPEI that Yeah, who's the lead on that project. Other questions?
Okay.
Well, great. Well, thank you very much for coming and presenting. And